The Spokane police dog shot twice while on duty is back on his feet.
And his replacement is named in his honor. KXLY4's Eric Loney has the story.
German Shepherds are known for being smart, loyal, and agile, but this one may also be bulletproof. His name is Var, and he's the retired Spokane police dog that was shot twice last month while tracking a suspect.
It's been 3 weeks yesterday, and he's up running around like it really never happened.
Officer Dan Lesser and Var were pursuing alleged car thief Johnny Longus last month when Longus shot Var in the face and in the leg. Lesser returned fire, killing Longus. Var wasn't even supposed to be on duty that night. Arthritis forced him to retire a few months earlier, but police pulled him out of retirement when his replacement didn't work out. He'd been back on duty only 3 days when he was shot. Today, Spokane police showed off his second replacement, a 3-year-old German Shepherd from Holland they named Rav, which is Var spelled backwards. Officers wanted to honor their partner injured in the line of duty.
I attribute to the dog. I mean, the dog was an awesome dog for 9 years. He was fantastic on the street. He worked well with all the guys on the street. We never had any problems at all with him.
It will be about a month before Rav is out on patrol. He still needs more training, and he has to pass a test before he can be on the street with Spokane police officers. As far as Var goes, he's now a house dog. He's on full retirement. In Spokane, Eric Loney, KXLY4 HD News.